Typeset the denture data by the software classified by the device. Input the data into the milling machine. Start to mill according to the milling data in the program. T-shape innovative metal clamp. Multiple combined milling. Per mill milling and glass ceramic are available without changing the clamps. Telescopic tool magazine. Automatic tool setting calibration. The milling fluid spray pipe is sprayed at bars, which plays the role of cooling and lubrication. The milling machine starts to mill the pre-mill. A closed processing environment and automatic tool magazine sighting to reduce the failure of the control chamber caused by dust. Start to mill the glass ceramics. High precision 5x scan milling. Multi-directional fine milling. Mill the connecting rod. Complete the milling.